The 10 best 3D printer filaments. Now that 3D printers can be used to make not only oodles of high-tech machine parts and plastic doodads, but also all manner of exotic creations. From edibles to prostheses, you can choose from a plethora of filament types and materials for your latest desktop manufacturing project. We've compiled a short list of the best brands and options out there for you. The list starts from Protopasta carbon fiber, with a reel of Protopasta carbon fiber, about $30. You can replicate exceptionally solid and smooth objects with good layer adhesion and stability. And you don't even need a heated build platform to do it. It comes on an eco-friendly, 100% recyclable, cardboard spool. Performs best with wider nozzles. Stronger and more rigid than PLA, but brittle at lower temperatures. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Ninja Flex TPU. Stretchiness and resilience are the hallmarks of objects made with Ninja Flex TPU. Around $40, which can withstand repeated elongation and retraction without breaking down or showing signs of wear. Yet it isn't so tacky that it clogs extruder nozzles. Low rigidity makes it tricky to feed. Good strength and consistency, but incompatible with some printers. You shouldn't miss this product's review. 3D Solutech, offered in an assortment of vivid hues and semi-transparent extrusion materials. 3D Solutech, about $18, is backed by a full satisfaction guarantee for wide-ranging compatibility, and promises smooth feeding with no bubbles, breaks, kinks or residue to gum up the works. Good consistency and adhesion, spectacular colors, but unused reels may be a bit tacky. Well, here is the 7th one. Verbatim Primaloy TPE. Verbatim Primaloy TPE. APPX. $27. Can be used in the production of prototypes needing exceptional strength, uniformity and resilience. Be aware that for smooth, blemish-free builds, you need to maintain a slow extrusion speed and steady air cooling of the platform. Comes with limited warranty. Vacuum seal to keep out moisture. But Kapton tape bed adhesive recommended. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Bizzard 3D Tech, to create miniature carvings and carpentry elements with an authentic look and feel. You don't have to spend hours and days whittling away and getting splinters. Just load up the specs and a roll of Bizzard 3D Tech, about $27, and let your desktop prototyping system do the rest. Also compatible with 3D pens. 20% wood fiber composition, but even smells like the real thing. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list. Tallman 3D Nylon Bridge T-glaze and composite filaments by Tallman 3D, around $25. Bring the exceptional tensile strength and sheen of nylon together with other durable materials to enable creatives to produce champagne-quality designs on beer budgets. Brilliant translucency, smooth and even finish, but works best at slow extrusion speeds. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Hatchbox spools, coming in abs, eco-friendly PLA and exotic materials. Hatchbox spools, APPX, $20, are renowned for their consistently reliable performance and broad-based device compatibility, making them ideal for a range of durable product prototypes that stand up well to rigorous testing. Steady blemish-free extrusion, superior dimensional accuracy, but manufacturer's warranty available. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Form Futura, about $55, offers an impressive array of abs, PLA, flexible, composite and other specialty extrusion materials for desktop production of everything from stunning, color-changing crystalline centerpieces to spongy prosthetics for your cosplay. Tour de force, warp-resistant composition, heavy-duty glass options, but non-toxic with a low odor. According to reviews, the second best product is Gizmo Dorks, with spools of PLA, ABS, water-soluble PVA, HIPs, metallic and exotic filaments in their arsenal. Gizmo Dorks, around $21. Have something for just about everyone interested in firing up their own miniature production line. To replicate components or create one-of-a-kind tchotchkes. Conductive ABS available, compatible with dual extruders, but excellent value for the money. Now here is our best of best the king product. Rigid ink, offering a broad selection of practically every type and size of extrusion material you could want. Rigid ink, APPX, $25. Promises dimensional tolerances of plus or minus 0.03 millimeters with no foreign bodies or inconsistencies to jam or clog your equipment. Excellent color reproduction, precise and reliable output, but money-back satisfaction guarantee.